Welcome back to another One Monroe Minute. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Handwheel Keyways. A handwheel keyway refers to a specifically machined groove or slot in the center hole of a handwheel, also known as a bore. This groove is designed to fit a key, which is a small piece of metal that secures the handwheel to a shaft. A square cutout is made going into the shaft, and a matching cutout is made going into the handwheel. These matching cutouts are known as the keyway. The handwheel slides onto the shaft, the cutouts are lined up, and the key is pushed into place. The key and the handwheel are meant to absorb the wear and preserve the shaft being driven. The key also prevents the handwheel from rotating independently of the shaft, ensuring that the force applied to the handwheel is directly transmitted to the shaft for movement and control. The components of a keyway system include the handwheel itself, the keyway, which is the groove in the bore of the handwheel, the key, which is the metal piece that fits into the keyway, and the shaft is the rotating or stationary element the handwheel attaches to, which also has a matching groove for the key. Handwheel keyways secure attachment of the handwheel to the shaft, help prevent slippage during operation, and provide reliable torque transfer between components. They're used for precise manual adjustments or movements and equipment requiring torque transfer in industrial and mechanical settings. They're commonly found in machinery controls such as valves, lathes, and milling machines. To learn more about handwheel keyways, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you next time with another One Monroe Minute.